Several people across the area tell News 2 they got their power back on, only to lose it again. News 2's Daphne DeLorean explains the threat this weekend that could cause even more damage to the grid.
Hey there, meteorologist Daphne DeLorean here. I'm out in Bellevue. I'm actually in my backyard. You can see several trees down. Now, winds are supposed to pick up tonight and tomorrow, especially tomorrow. This is a concerning thing. We're all still recovering from this winter storm. Now, power outages could go out once again. We have all these tree limbs, branches, they're already weakened from ice and snow accumulation. They've been shaken up, they've been loosened. We've had temperature fluctuations, so they are weak. Wind is not a good thing, my friends, on top of this. So going especially into tomorrow, wind gusts of 25 to potentially 30 miles per hour could take some more trees down, and they could impact power outages as they could take down power lines with them. So what you can do now is move your car. Make sure not to be walking under any kind of loose limbs or trees. Trees can be completely uprooted with these kinds of winds. So just because your power is back, there is a chance for secondary power outages. Don't be surprised. Prepare now. Be safe and be warm, my friends. We will get through this. Meteorologist Daphne DeLorean reporting out here in Bellevue. Back to you.
And what questions do you need answered? Our News 2 meteorologist Daphne is answering your questions. Just head to her Facebook page or shoot her an email at ddelorean@wkrn.com. She'll be answering those questions throughout the day right here on News 2.